So dear friends, if you want to use your WhatsApp and Facebook at the same time and in the same screen, then keep watching this video till the end. So let's get started. First, you gotta go to your phone settings. So open it, scroll down a little bit, and look for an option, apps. So click on this apps option, and then all the applications that have been installed on your phone will pop up here. But nothing to do here, just look at the top right corner, you see a three-dot icon here. So click on it, select the middle option, I'm in special access. Now select the picture-in-picture option. Now first you gotta turn on your Facebook. And then after turning on your Facebook, you gotta turn on the WhatsApp application too. Enable this WhatsApp too. Now go back. Now first open your Facebook. And nothing to do here, just close this. Now look, there are three icons at the bottom. Taps icon, close icon, and a back icon. Just click on the taps icon. And now you will see the Facebook tab here. Just click on the Facebook tab and hold for a few seconds like this. And now scroll up a little bit. Leave it. And now see the Facebook is opening at the top side of the page, and then open your WhatsApp from the bottom side. I'm opening my WhatsApp here. Now see, WhatsApp and Facebook. Both the applications are running at the same time and in the same screen. So this is how you can use your Facebook and WhatsApp at the same time and in the same screen. That's it. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more this kind of helpful and informative videos, then subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.